Hi everybody. I just wanted to show you an alternative way to siphon your naphtha without having to disturb too much. I know that if you pick up your tray out of the freezer and sometimes it's not really adhered to the bottom of the tray, it can be a little bit frustrating to try to pour it off. So take your turkey baster and press it straight down against the glass. You can find that there might be a slight angle to the tip of the turkey baster, so just put it down into the surface and just rock it back and forth gently to feel it sort of flatten out. And when you do that, you can create a pretty respectable seal against the bottom of the glass tray. And while you're doing that, you can control the flow so it doesn't go up too quickly. Now, you can keep holding onto the ball of the turkey baster to control the flow, but you'll notice that if you press down and you're actually keeping a good seal against the bottom of the glass, that will also control your flow. So don't go too fast, but by pressing firmly, you'll be able to not disturb too much of the DMT outside of the range of a quarter coin. Just keep going back down to the same spot. Lift up your naphtha nice and slowly and pour it off into your mason jar, and just keep doing that. And I think it's great that you guys are learning all this, and if you can, pass this knowledge on to friends and anybody else that you think might need to learn how to do it. And people that you're going to introduce DMT to are going to, want to be able to have access to this. Share this with them, teach them how to do it. If everybody knows how to actually make their own DMT, one, people are going to be less afraid of it. They're going to think it's something like bad that should be illegal. It should be legal. It never should have been illegal in the first place. So pass on this knowledge. The more people that know about it, the better a community that we will have. The less egos, the less overall problems that we'll have, the less desperation. I know it sounds like a stretch, but I'll be explaining a little bit more in depth on how we're going to get better mental health for everybody. So just take advantage of it while you can. And this is just intro steps. There's more sophisticated ways to be able to extract DMT and even synthesize DMT in a lab. But this will get you there to start with. So thanks a lot, and I hope you liked the video. If you can, subscribe. I'll try to make more for you. And if you get questions and comments, please make a comment. And thanks again.